Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, I welcome all of you to the session of online classes of Divisional Public School and College Sahiwal. My name is Mariyam Saeed and I am your English teacher. Regarding the current situation, I pray for all of you that may Allah protect and preserve your health and life many years. Ameen. I think you all are quite bored at your homes, right? But you know what? You have no need to worry at all. I have a wonderful idea to kill your boredom, and that is to memorize our beautiful memories. Yes, just like the memory of our last year's school trip. याद है आप सबको? बहुत ही खूबसूरत और मज़े का ट्रिप था जो लास्ट ईयर हम लोग होकर आए थे. Where it was to? Do you remember? Oh, yes, it was to the beautiful Murray Hills. Our today's topic is very much related to our last year trip, and that is the essay composition. And the topic is a visit to the hill station. So, by the end of this lesson, you all will be able to learn the general techniques of essay writing, develop the ideas, and compose an essay on the given topic. But students, first of all, we have to discuss that what is basically an essay. And I have a very yummy idea to tell you that what is an essay. Oh yes, let's have a look. A good essay is just structured like a yummy sandwich. The first part of the essay, which is called an introduction, is just like the upper bun of the sandwich. The second part, which is called the body, is just like the yummy and tasty filling of the sandwich. And the last part is the conclusion, and it is just like the bottom bun of the sandwich. Let's have a look on the parts of an essay. First part, which is just like the upper bun of the sandwich, is which is called the introduction. In this paragraph, we give the general idea and information about the topic. सेकेंड पैराग्राफ जिसे हम बॉडी कहते हैं, इस पैराग्राफ में we write about the main topic and we write it in the form of the paragraphs and we explain each point in almost 7 to 8 sentences. लास्ट वाला जो पार्ट होता है जिसे हम कंक्लूजन कहते हैं, in this paragraph we summarize our essay, उसको टोटल समराइज कर देते हैं, provide a concluding statement, and we connect it with the main topic. First of all, our topic is a visit to the hill station. So in the introductory paragraph or in the introduction paragraph, we will give a general idea and information about the topic, that is the visits. So let's have a look. What do we write in this paragraph? First of all, we will discuss that visits play a very vital role in our life. It means कि visits जो हैं वो हमारी ज़िंदगी में बड़ा अहम किरदार अदा करते हैं. कैसे? They break the monotony. It means कि जो हमारे डेली की रूटीन है वो if we keep on following it, we get bored. But if we plan visit in our routine, if we add it in our routine, then it breaks the monotony. And they give us a chance to know about the customs and traditions of other areas. Obviously, जब आप दूसरे एरियाज में जाते हैं, दूसरी जगहों पे जाते हैं, तो आप उनकी रवायात के बारे में जानते हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इसमें हम एडअप कर सकते हैं. It increases our knowledge. Obviously, when you go to the other places, you come to know about their customs and traditions, you know about their languages, their ways of life. So obviously your knowledge is increased. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट द विजर्स दैट इज इट बूस्ट योर कॉन्फिडेंस. ऑब्वियसली व्हेन यू नो मोर थिंग्स तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस उससे बूस्ट होता है. जब व्हेन यू विजिट अदर प्लेसेस you know about their things, you know you have the information about them, obviously it will boost your confidence. Whenever you discuss something with your friends, so you will have a knowledge or you have the material to discuss about. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं दैट इज visits obviously refresh our minds whenever we go to visit some place, either it is a public place or a historical place. It uh, obviously refresh our minds. Next point that will add in this paragraph is visits are really a source of entertainment. When you go to the cinemas or some park or any public place or for a shopping, it entertains you. Okay? So this is the introductory paragraph in which you have given the general idea and information about the topic. Our topic is the visits. So let's come to the second paragraph, which is the main body. In this paragraph, we have to give the main information of the topic. We have to discuss the topic. We have to explain each point in 7 to 8 lines. So let's see how we have to compose this paragraph or this part of the essay. The first line that with which we start this paragraph is the topic. In this line, we have to tell that what is our topic. So you will start this paragraph like this. Today, the topic of my essay is, what is your topic? Tell me. Yes, a visit to the health station. Next line will be, or the next point will be, that when you planned with this visit and when you visited, when you paid this visit, कब किया था आपने ये visit? For example, you will write like this, okay, last year I have planned this visit, or my family planned this visit, or I have planned this visit with my friends. यानी आपने किन के साथ प्लान किया, किन के साथ आप गए. ठीक है, इस तरह से आप इसको स्टार्ट देंगे. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इसमें जो आप डिस्कस करेंगे दैट इज हाउ यू वेंट. इट मीन्स आप किस तरह से गए. यू इधर वेंट बाय द बस और बाय द ट्रेन और बाय योर ओन कार. इसमें आप ये डिस्कस करेंगे. इसको हम पॉइंट वाइज लेके चलेंगे. ठीक है. Next point you देंगे that is when you reach there. It means when you started off your journey and when you at what time you reach there. Means either you have started your journey in the morning or you set off for your visit in the morning or either at the noon, and when you reach there either in the morning at noon or in at evening, राइट. आपने टाइम मेंशन करना है कि आप कब वहाँ पे पहुँचे, कब निकले, कितने आवर्स की जर्नी थी एंड ऑल दैट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो आप इसमें डिस्कस करेंगे दैट इज हाउ वाज द जर्नी. इधर यू गेट टायर्ड और इधर इट इज रिफ्रेशिंग. इसलिए आप एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो हम इसमें डिस्कस करेंगे दैट इज हाउ वाज द वेदर. इट मीन्स ड्यूरिंग द जर्नी भी आप बता सकते हैं एंड व्हेन यू रीच देयर द हाउ वाज द वेदर वाज, you can describe it like that when we get off our cars the weather was perfect, it was quite refreshing, right, it was pleasing. किसी भी तरह से आप इसको लिख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज ये भी वेदर को डिस्कस करने में आ जाएगा कि वेदर इट वाज सनी और इट वाज क्लाउडी. यू कैन डिस्क्राइब इट लाइक दिस, राइट. It was the totally a perfect. आप बता सकते हैं कि the sunlight was beaming through the leaves and the top of the mountains was behind the curtain of the clouds. इस तरह से आप इसको डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. Next point is that it was a marvelous view. राइट, इसको आप किसी भी तरह से लिख सकते हैं कि इट वॉज अ मार्वलस व्यू, इट वॉज एन्चेंटिंग, इट वॉज मेस्मराइजिंग, कोई भी वर्ड आप इसके लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. Next point is that you can describe it like this, that I have never seen anything so beautiful, right? इसको आप किसी भी तरह से बयान कर सकते हैं. Next is, it was so beautiful that I can't turn my eyes off. उसकी ब्यूटी को डिस्क्राइब आपने करना है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज, suddenly it started drizzling. आप इस तरह से बता सकते हैं कि एकदम जो है वो बारिश होना शुरू हो गई. The scene become more beautiful. And next is, it was totally a scene of a fairyland. The view simply seemed to be a fairyland. किसी भी तरह से आप लिख सकते हैं. I can't turn my eyes off the scene. Next is, then we had a tasty meal at a restaurant. You can write it like this: we all felt hungry and we decided to have a lunch at a restaurant, right? Then you have this visit is about the Murray Hill Station, so we can discuss this point also, that at night we went to the Mall Road, which is a very famous road of the Murray. Next is, yes, when you go to the mall road, obviously you can buy the beautiful handicrafts of the beautiful local things, right? You can write it like this, that at night, we bought the handicrafts and other local items. ठीक है जी, आप इस तरह भी अपने विजिट को डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं टू द मॉल रोड. Yes, then you will write it like this. We all, after a pleasing journey or the dayful journey, we got tired at night. We all were tired, so we hired a hotel and went to sleep. ठीक है, इसमें आप फिर आप next, अगर if you want to prolong your essay, तो आप इसमें add up कर सकते हैं that next day plan जो था. So इसको आप इस तरह से लिखेंगे that next day we planned to go to the Kashmir point. It is a famous place over there. So आप इसको डिस्कस करते सकते हैं कि we went to the Kashmir point and we had a chairlift. उसका सीन भी आप डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. Then उसको आप इस तरह से कह सकते हैं, the scenes were so mesmerizing. We stood gazed to see the mountainside, right? Mountainside and then mesmerizing scenes and nearby valleys जो हैं उनको आपने visit किया है. And at last you can say, have to discuss about your return, right? That you returned after 3 or 4 days and how many days you stayed there, right? So this is the body paragraph and I think it's quite yummy now. Now we have to discuss about the last paragraph, which is the conclusion or the concluding paragraph. In this paragraph, we have to summarize our essay and we have to connect it with the main topic. Now, let's see what are the main points in this paragraph. First of all, you have to tell about the memories, that you have to tell that the memories of this visit will always remain fresh in your mind. Okay? You will never forget. Second point, that you had a lot of fun over there, or you can never forget the fun you had during the trip. And number 3 point, that no better creator than Allah. This is the concluding statement. You can write it like that. I came to the conclusion that there is no better creator than Allah, because you have seen a marvelous nature over there, marvelous scenes that can be created only by Allah, right? उसके बाद फोर्थ में यानी लाइन जो आप इसमें एडअप कर सकते हैं, दैट इज यू कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस: an unknown joy filled fills your soul whenever you recall this visit, right? Number 5 is that this is one of the, it is undoubtedly the best visit of your life. So you can compose your essay very easily like this. This is, all from my side. And now it's, a bit bad time, a homework time. So your homework is that you have to compose an essay on the given topic, a visit to the hill station. And I think now it's quite easy to compose an essay with the help of this, a mind map. So this is all from my side. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.